Hello everyone, this is Jocelyn from COXO. Today we'll introduce our new arrival, the most economical COB LED strip light. This COB LED strip light is solderless. You can see there's no solder joint on the PCB. And this one is 24 volt. Even though it is 120 LEDs per meter, it can give out solderless lighting effect. At the same time, its cost is less than $1 per meter. Then, let's make a test to see the difference between the COB and SMD 120 LEDs per meter. Its CRI is more than 80. With cost-effective advantage, it can replace SMD 60 and 120 LEDs per meter strip light in terms of lighting effect.